Joey, and I grew up down in Christchurch, pre-quake. I am a policy analyst in the policy group, and I mostly work on local government stuff, but at the moment we're matrix managed, so we can work on anything. About a year and a quarter, very specific.
Yeah.
This year, I started in this year when we all moved into one building. It was a bit of a commute in the past, and we didn't quite have the awesome VC stuff that we do now, but now we're in this building, so we'll go, the whānau, easily the whānau. Just come, just give it a go, maybe find a friendly face on your floor that does come and say you'd want to come along. There's no commitments, no one's going to hound you next week if you don't show up, but you know, we're always welcoming. You'll get greeted with a big hey, you know, probably a kiss on the cheek even, and just join in. Wāta Māori probably like kapi oioi because it's a little bit fun, a little bit cheeky. Pākehā wāta probably something deftones, so like passenger or changes. So a bit different, but just come. Just join the whānau.